Quality control randomly selects chocolate bars from their production line. The weights in ounces of the selected chocolate bars are 4.1, 4.0, 3.8, 3.9, 3.7, 4.0, 3.7, and 4.0. Our question asks us to calculate the mean weight. Now, in order to calculate the mean is the average. So we're going to add up all of the weights and then divide it by the number of weights that we have. How many weights do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 weights. And so we're going to add up all of these data values or data points or numbers, and then we are going to divide it by 8. When we add them, we get 31.2, and then we're going to take that and divide it by 8. And when we do 31.2 divided by 8, we get 3.9. And so that means that the mean weight is 3.9, 3.9 ounces. Moving on to the next question, we have the median weight. Now, in order for us to figure out the median weight, we're going to arrange these data values in ascending order from least to greatest. We have 3.7, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9, 4, 4.0, 4.0, 4.0, and 4.1. Notice that this 3.7 goes with 4.1, 3.7 goes with 4, 3.8 goes with 4, and so the numbers that we have in the middle are 3.9 and 4.0. Next, we're going to add the 3.9 and the 4.0. We add them and then divide it by 2. So we have 7.9 divided by 2, and 7.9 divided by 2 is 3.95. And so that means that the median weight is 3.95 ounces. Next, our goal is to figure out or to determine the modal weight. Now, the mode is the number that appears the most frequently. And if we look at this data set, we notice that we have 4.0, 4.0, and 4.0. 4.0 appears 3 times. Remember that the modal weight is the weight that occurs the most. And based on these data values, 4.0 do appear. 4.0 is the weight that appears the most. And so that means that 4.0 ounces is the modal weight.